With an impressive 1600 RPM spin speed, this AEG ÖKOMix washing machine will let you enjoy faster drying times. With ÖKO-Mix technology, detergent and softener is mixed with water before it enters the drum. This activates the detergent and softener earlier on, ensuring that every fibre is cleaned and cared for. AEG's ProSteam technology adds steam at the end of the wash cycle. This reduces wrinkles by up to a third, saving you time when ironing. ProSense technology automatically measures each load to adjust cycle time. This prevents unnecessary overwashing so you can keep your clothes looking newer for longer. Stay on top of your laundry and get more washed in one load with this 9 kg AEG ÖKOMix washing machine, ideal for large family households.